when I go to Africa or Europe, the impact that Jamaican people have globally, it is to be respected, my lad.
Definitely.
And me as a Jamaican who grew up in America and then spent 20 odd years in Africa, it's like me feel good.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now this week, our special guest, Mr. Mikal Asher, Morgan Heritage family, you know. Yeah, man. Mikal.
Said,
Respect, boss.
man.
Respect.
said, yeah, man.
Welcome to Next Friday, Mikal.
Well, all right. Give thanks, my lad. Yeah,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Give thanks.
Boy, all things generally, brethren.
Well, we give thanks for life, you know, my lad. First,
Yeah.
we want to just greet the people, them, because
Yes, man.
not for nothing, at first, we do an interview in Jamaica. You know what I say? We travel all over the place, and at the first, we really come home and talk to the people, them. So we just want to greet the people, them, saying, greetings, Jamaica, you know, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie first, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, elect of God, earth rightful ruler. You don't know, saying, greetings, Jamaica, nothing but love, saying, Mikal Asher on the place. Yes, my lad, respect.
And peeps, we're fortunate for have Mr. Asher on the show, you know, because the man just a pass through Jamaica, you know, literally, you know, just a pass through. So we give thanks to the eye.
Yeah, man.
Stop through for next Friday.
Yeah, man, we have to touch down, you know.
For real, man.
Years and years of traveling, and, you know, say, well, then we move according to how the ancestral energy drive us.
See.
Anyway, the inspiration tell we for God. Anyway, the spirit tell we for God. That's the way I forgo. And we do so much work over the years, you know, in Africa. You know, I say West Africa, you know, Germany, England. This is the first time I really get a chance to come talk to our people. People them when me know say me and them have that blood connection. Cause at Jamaica I'm born, and Maypen I'm born, Clarendon, saying, and it's a joy, it's an honor, Jamaica. Jano, it's an honor for I to be here to talk to the item. Saying, yeah, man, Jano.
So Michael, tell us a little about, you know, that experience, you know, growing up in Maypen and then how the movement from Jamaica took place.
The movement from Jamaica, it feels kind of sad for me,
Yeah.
Teino, because I never really get to know Jamaica like that. I'm from me 7 years old.
Yeah.
7, we moved to America. So I really New York, me really grew up.
Yeah, man.
You know me, I say, but you know, you can't take a man from the country. Saying, but you can't take the country from the man.
Yeah.
So we never left for Jamaican culture. Saying, we never left for Jamaican heritage. So anywhere we go to Jamaica, we say, you're saying, but, you know, this work, it's a mission with upon. Saying, it's a mission. And from the time we start the music, it was always Africa. Saying, and this is the first time we really get a chance to come and tell our story to Jamaican people then. So I really feel honored. You know what I say? Yeah, man. It's a joy. It's a joy because I know. So when I go to Africa or Europe, the impact that Jamaican people have globally, it is to be respected, my lad.
Definitely.
And me as a Jamaican who grew up in America and then spent 20 odd years in Africa, it's like me feel good. You know what I say? Me feel good for know say Jamaica I'm born.
Yeah, man.
I feel good for know say me a real raw Jamaican.
Yeah.
I will never left for culture. Yeah.
But it like Africa now. I've never been to Africa, but we always hear them talk about return to the motherland, Mother Africa.
Yeah.
What kind of vibe? What kind of vibe? You know, what is Africa like? And how you compare that to even Jamaica when you look at your own Jamaican culture?
I remember the first time I landed in Africa in the mid-90s.
Yeah.
Ghana. And I'm looking at the place. And I see the people there. All the people them like all them flex, them you know, them personality, them demeanor.
Yeah.
Me say blow was like a big Jamaica me come. Serious thing.
Yeah.
It's like a big Jamaica. You know me I say?
Yeah, man.
And quite honestly, I have learned so much about who I am as a man, as a black man, as an African,
Right.
and who we are as Jamaicans and how we connect to Ghana from my travels. You know me I say? And one of the things them that, you know, I was sharing this with this sister yesterday and she was amazed, is the history of the name Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know, Africa me go and learn that.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I say?
Imagine that.
Imagine that. You know, so it's pronounced Jamaica. Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica. Yeah, I hate that. Jamaica. Saying so that is a Fanti word, and the Fanti people is a tribe of people from central Ghana. Now most Jamaicans is very familiar with the Ashanti people.
Right.
You see, and they're very familiar with Queen Nanny and her 5 brothers. They're part of Jamaican history.
Right.
And Queen Nanny come from Kumasi and her brothers. You know what I said? They're from the Ashanti tribe.
Okay.
And as you know, and many Jamaicans know, you know, the Ashanti and the Maroon people are the same people. And that is how most Jamaicans connect them.
That connection there.
They make the connection there. But I get to find out now, say, the Fanti people, you know, when they came as slaves, they gave Jamaica the name Jamaica, which means, yeah, it's a Fanti word and it means, it looks like we are stuck here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You have to laugh because when I heard it too, I was like, yeah? Wow, I never knew that.
So
I never knew
so
that.
the name Jamaica actually has a meaning in Africa.
Yes. Yes, my
Why
lord.
history, no people.
Tell them. It's our history.
Yeah, man.
It's not a mystery. You see, it's not his story. It's our story.
Right.
And I'm very profoundly honored and happy to know that my travels over the years has taught me so much about who we are.
Right.
And how much influence the Jamaican people have around the world. When you read the history of Marcus Garvey,
Yeah.
seeing one of our heroes, and when you read of the impact that he had on the liberation of most of the countries in West Africa, it's profound, it's big, it's huge.
Right.
Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, Farrakhan, Elijah Muhammad, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana, Jomo Kenyatta,
Yeah.
the first president of Kenya, the one from down South Africa, the Nelson Mandela,
So
the first president
the
of
influence and impact is
all these
great, man.
world leaders and activists. They credit Marcus Garvey for his philosophies and his messages and the inspiration that it had on them. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the great Asajifo, first president of Ghana, he is a self-confessed disciple of Marcus Garvey. So, you know, Jamaican people have a history of freedom fighting,
Yeah, man.
of not taking no crap. You know what I say? You know, death
Yeah,
before
man.
the sun. About 2018, me and my nephew Grams. Everybody know Grams Morgan.
Yeah, man. Big up
You know what I
Grams.
say? Big up Grams Morgan. Saying positive vibration. Bad album. Saying reach out for it, people. Grams Morgan, positive vibration. Saying so anyway, me and Grams they are Ghana.
Yeah.
And we have a sit down with former President John Jerry Rawlings. Big respect. May his soul rest in peace. Saying 2018 and me and Gramps today and you know we are talking and reason with the president and the man said, you know, there's one thing I want you brothers to do for me. He said it seems that the Western culture has corrupted the minds of my people. And I know that your music, the type of music you brothers do, I know it has the power to elevate the minds of my people out of that Western influence. So I'm asking you to make some music that will elevate the minds of my people. You see me I say, and I tell you, say, me and Grams not talk about this, you know. And you see Grams drop him album about a month ago.
Yeah, man.
And now Mikal Asher album I drop September the 21st. See, this one is called Unchained.
And make sure you go look for it and grab it, because Michael knows say I come with a message.
My Lord,
the message
my
is there.
Lord, we pray every day that our words will be positive, inspirational, and edifying. And we're not just talk foolishness and carnality. We're not them things. We deal with positive vibration, positive motivation. The message is in the music. Saying, just check me out on my YouTube channel at Jamaica Entertainment and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, saying Jamaica Entertainment. Saying, yeah man, JAHMIKAL Entertainment. Saying, we have a new song where we just dropped a couple days ago, thing called Binghiman. And more on the item, check it out on YouTube, because like I say, the message is in the music, and there is a message for everyone in the Unchained album.
We see the video drop for Binghiman already.
The video drop for the Binghiman, yeah, man.
It was featuring, remind us.
Yeah, the Binghiman, that tune now feature Jubilee.
Right.
It feature my son, Shaka. Saying, big up Shaka anyway you're there. Big up Jubilee, you don't know my lad, nothing but respect.
Musical family, you know.
Oh, you mean, man? And we have a next son on the track to name Jade. Big up Jade, you don't know. My lad, this album, like I say, it's like 20 years in the making. It have a positive message, you know. Real Rastaman never give up. You know me I say, walk in the footsteps of Jah. You know me I say, them take man for fool. But them check say. You know me I say, my lad, a pure positive message.
But Michael, this album though, Unchained, 20 years in the making.
Yeah.
And you finally seen where it's going to happen. It's going to be a reality.
Yeah, man.
And we see big brother Denroy, big up the thing same way, and I bless you up same way.
Big up to my elder brother Denroy Morgan.
Yeah, man.
Salute.
Yeah,
Yo,
man. So you have been
respect.
blessing on his endorsement to Virgin. So
yes,
what personally what this album actually means for you after so long, 20 years in the making?
I feel like, the title, Teino, the title of the album,
Yeah.
Unchained, it says it all. It's like Mikal Asher is no longer bound by Babylon mental slavery.
Right.
What Bob Marley say? Emancipate yourself.
From mental
At the same message, we don't come with nothing new. We just come to remind the people them of these bullet points, these things.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
So Unchained is being mentally free, physically free, because we're not incarcerated.
Right.
You get what I say? And emotionally free. And most of all, spiritually free.
Definitely.
So Unchained, my Lord, for me, is all about liberation.
Yeah.
It's all about being free to think for yourself. You see me I deal with, and that is the message more than anything else. Think for yourself. Don't put no limits on your mind. Limits on your mind is a waste of time. You see? So this album for me, it's all about being free. Yeah,
Good,
Unchained.
Good stuff, man.
Yeah,
So,
sure that.
the family now, Morgan family.
Mm-hmm.
We have to bring in some of that, because why this family is just full of music to the bone.
My God.
Tell me about, and we'll go back into some of the history, Regine, some of your earliest memories of musical influence.
My Lord, musical influence. Earliest. You want like the earliest?
Some of them early encounter them and we make you say, say.
A music. We used to play Congo drums in a church.
See that.
As a little boy. You see, we used to sing gospel and play Congo drums. So you see the Binghiman thing is from the foundation.
Yeah, man.
Is something that was from even a different dispensation. We had that in a way.
Right.
So when we come in a this regeneration, it have to be there.
Yeah.
So it started from in the church, and we used to play the Binghiman and sing gospel. Then as a teenager now, I started to live with my brother at about 18 years old. Okay. Denroy Morgan, salute to my eldest brother.
There you go.
And my Lord, watching how hard my brother worked to perfect his craft, that inspired me. My thing was a DJ thing still, because I went to a 12 Tribe of Israel stage show celebration.
Okay.
In a Queens, New York, and I saw a brother Ruben first. He performed and did like a chant, like a Uri style, right. Big youth, which made it always love Big Youth and Uri from me and local boy.
Yeah,
I love listening, man. So that influence was always there. So after seeing and feeling that vibration, that positive vibration, I was like, yo, I gotta be a part of this.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? I said, I'm a part of this. And, we start doing one little thing with 12 Tribe of Israel band.
Right.
We started to work with them. I always do original music. I always write my music.
Okay.
But, seeing so many great artists come through 12 Tribe. From I never see Bob Marley, but again, he's a 12 Tribe member. But Freddie McGregor, Dennis Brown, Fred Locks, Brigadier Jerry, Buju Ban. I mean, the list goes on. Denroy Morgan, Morgan Heritage. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man.
Seeing so many great musicians and great artists, it's like I really had to take a humble seat. Even though, Denroy Morgan and my brother and all them things there. You know what I say? I could have gone big and go on and show off myself, but no. I built myself a sound system.
Yeah.
The sound system was called Selassie Inspiration, Jah Inspiration. And with DJ, so with DJ, and we start to really get into the music, then we start performing on stage, always doing original songs. And in about 1994, I met this brother in Florida named Gary Davis. Big up Gary Davis, salute every time. From Chocolate Star, Entertainment.
Okay.
Gary heard me talking to someone and said, "Bro," he's like, "Man, I like your voice, man."
Yeah.
I mean, do you do music? I say, "Yeah, man, I do music." He said, "Me DJ." He said, "Yeah." He said, "Man, I like to record you." And that was the first time anyone ever recorded Mikal Asher as an artist.
Okay.
So respect to Gary Davis in 1994.
Yeah. Man.
You know what I say? And we did like a whole album for him.
Okay.
You know what I say? And we had another song from him called Jah Got Something. And we put that song on the first album, which was Binghiman. And we work with Sly Dunbar, Sly Dunbar, Rabbi Shakespeare. They produced about 5 or 6 songs on that album.
Good.
Dean Fraser, he produced one of the songs on that album. Ronnie Butler, like you already know, nothing but respect.
Yeah.
Ronnie Butler worked with Quincy Jones, Bob Marley, all of the big artists. Tour with Israel Vibration, Meditations, Anthony B, Morgan Heritage, Denroy Morgan. You understand? So Ronald Butler is the main producer that I've been working with for 20 years, more than 20 years. So, he produced like probably 8 songs on this album. Mm-hmm. So, respect to Ronald Butler. He's been around the greats. He knows the sound. Right. He knows the roots, reggae sound, which this album, we've achieved what we wanted to achieve out of this album, which is roots reggae sound, that 12 Tribe Orthodox sound. You know what I say? Yeah. With that DJ influence, with that dancehall influence. You know what I say?
So would you say though that, looking back from those earlier days until now, in terms of your own style and delivery of the music, would you say that, there are any major changes?
Yeah, definitely.
What would you highlight as one of the...
I would say I have gotten more comfortable with singing. You know what I say? I'm always a DJ. If I'm,
straight DJ.
Just DJ. And people say, yo, I love how you DJ. Nobody sing, man. Just DJ. You know what I say? But sometimes when a song comes to you, it's like when I was in St. Thomas, 1998.
Yeah.
We was working on the Morgan Heritage Family and Friends album.
Yeah.
And I was working on a song called Original Bingy. So I had the hook, but we couldn't find, you know what I said?
Right.
We couldn't find the verse then. Couldn't find it, so I go out on the beach, sit down on a rock and I burn a thing. You don't know it, go, Haitians. And when I burn a thing, it just come to me, but it come to me in a singing form. You understand what I say?
You have to work with it.
You have to work with it. It come to me and say, I was sitting one afternoon, looking across the sea. The day was nice, the sky was bright, the sun was shining on me. I was searching for some answers of my identity. So I took time out and realized it was all inside of me. You know what I say? So I saw it come sometime and you have to just go with it.
Yeah, man.
Sing or DJ, you have to, just send it.
Yeah, man.
So you have to put it,
Message same way, brother.
Yeah, man. You have to know yourself in them time, my lord. And we give thanks for the opportunity to talk to my people. You know what I say? And like I said, the most important thing for me, if I get nothing out of this trip, if I know that by the works that we are doing here over the next couple of weeks, someone was inspired to think for themselves and to ask questions and to get a deeper understanding of what is going on, then I would feel like that I did not work in vain. You see me?
Definitely.
Yeah.
So, Michael, Mikey.
Yeah, man. It's all right, man.
Because you're coming like family already, Bridget. Hey, may I look on Mikey and what a man favor Grams? Yo, grab some Bridget,
Yeah, I be key, man. Screechy, I call him, Screechy. Hey, and me one can call him, so, Grams.
Oh, all right. But Grams just know say me know now. But we not call it that. We don't know that history there. We make it stay in the family. But Michael, in terms of the album though, what are some of the plans in terms of promotions and stuff? Do you have any shows coming up and man, make your people them know what what
this album is very important for me to make sure the message go out to the people them. So we have some things lined up. We have a festival in Takrady.
Yeah.
In December, I think December the 2nd. I will give you updated information on my social media.
Right.
We have a Binghiman birthday bash. Also, with a stage show in December.
Okay.
And then there's a Jankuno. You hear that? Jankuno. A Jankuno festival.
We'll go back into the history,
No, we're not going to the history.
We can't forget the roots. No, meaning you can't stray from the roots.
Right.
We keep that in the current situation.
It's an African festival.
Right.
And it named Jankuno.
Yeah.
And we Jamaican people are used the word a long time.
Man.
And so the connection is real, my lord.
Definitely.
So for me, this album, like I said, being around my brother, being around Grams, Peter, Mojo, Mommy, Morgan Heritage, all of them.
Yeah,
it's like, like when I started my music career in Ghana in the late 90s, Heritage them there, Jamaica mashed on the place.
Yes, man.
So for me, it's very important that my work is up to a certain standard.
Definitely.
That my brother can be proud, my niece and my nephews can be proud.
I am here in my garden sitting up and feeling very good about my younger brother's project coming out of Africa. Established himself as the Binghiman in Africa, Ghana, yes, and West Africa. But today my joy is to talk about his album Unchained that is now to be released. Jah Rastafari. My brother Mikal Asher, yes, as we call him brother Michael, but Mikal Asher. His album is now approve because I get a chance to hear it. I get a chance to digest his lyrics and see where he's coming from. The production is very good. Check it out. Check it out. It is called Unchained.
Because a Morgan family for life, we say. Morgan family, and that we not change from that. You see me I say? So we have to make the family proud, and we have to always know, say, it's one family. You know, my mother and father had 10 of us.
Yeah.
7 sons and 3 daughters. And from out of we 10 is a couple hundred well now.
But
No, seriously. I mean,
how much you contribute to that?
no, take time. We don't want the people them get too.
All right.
You know, I said them think that classified information, dog. You know what I'm saying?
My math's not good.
No, me can't tell you not to, not Teino. But if me tell you, then me have to get rid of you, because I don't want to tell
See
you.
there, all right.
So without
People have to determine that and do the average, call yourself one, yeah, and work out the maths for yourself.
Yeah, man.
That is why I want to say, make sure say the name continues and the family continue, Bridget.
My lord, my mother had a vision in her heart, and she tell us about it. She saw that the Morgan family will become a nation. So I know, I really give thanks for all my brothers and sisters, all my nieces and nephews, because, there's something about us. There's a fight in us, always striving to do better.
Definitely.
And I'm inspired by that. And I hope and trust and pray that Jah will bless us, that we will shine a light of that represent what my mother and father taught us, which is principles, integrity, godliness. You know what I say, my lad?
Definitely.
So it's all about the family. Morgan family for life. You don't know. Gramps, Morgan Heritage, my brother Denroy, all of the Morgan family, nothing but love. Jamaica people, we have family said speed, no feel, no way. Jamaica, I'm born. Jamaica, I'm set everywhere I go.
Yeah,
so I'm loving Jamaica, saying nothing but love. My lord, give thanks
Really
for this opportunity here.
Why?
Jah know.
Peeps, you couldn't ask for anything more. I mean, we know you probably want a part 2, 3, 4, because it's a whole heap of history. But the message has been sent.
Not done yet.
All right,
The message not done yet.
More message.
More message. Now have to big up Jati, saying.
Yeah.
Now have to big up David Rodney, saying, what are the media thing for me? Nothing but the highest respect.
Dave, big
and
up.
everyone who contribute to the Unchained album, saying enough respect, twinkle twinkle little star, you know who you are, nothing but love. Love on us, say. All right, your time. Me done. Too much people.
Peeps, say, because him do that, I put him on the spot. In a good way. Make the fans them hear your voice. I sing a one line for them. I know say he's going to give a full song, a full performance, You can check out that tomorrow. But right now,
Well,
I want you make your fans them hear piece
let's
of
see.
your voice.
Me done do a little singing thing.
Yeah,
Me done
man,
hear the
but-
voice already.
But
Saying,
give us something.
well, I'm going to have a
close it
DJ thing from a song named Original
out.
Binghiman.
Alright, do it, man.
Saying, original Binghiman from the foundation. Born in a Jamaica, but me come from Zion. Down in a the ghetto, me no left my iron. Tell them already, me no change for no one. Long time we did it in a white man land. 400 years pan them plantation. Work like slave with no compensation. Kill off me daddy and them kill off me mom. Take away me land, take away me kingdom. Take away me gold, take away me diamond. Take away me knowledge, try take me wisdom. We still a give thanks to the Almighty One, original Binghiman from the foundation. Born in a Jamaica, but me come from... Me don't know, me. Tomorrow.
Yeah, man. You can't get the whole line.
See?
You can't get the whole line. But peeps, it was great.
Stefan.
Jamaica glad to see you.
Oh, my people. Love Jamaica can't done, my lad. It's good to be home again. It's been so long, you know what I mean?
Really,
Yeah, big up
boy.
Bounty Killer. It's been so long. Respect to all of the bosses there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, man.
Peeps, there you have it.
Say,
Another exciting episode of next Friday. Now be sure to go and subscribe, share, like, click the notification bell, man, and do the thing, because we know say we don't want to miss a beat. And remember, next Friday, every Friday. We out.
Bless.
Wow.